In this video, we will show you how to do simple massage around your eyes. First, search these few soft areas on your fingers and massage these acupoints around your eyes with these soft tissues of your fingers. Then, as pointed out here, there are many acupoints around your eyes, and you would like to make massaging motion by making circular motions around your eyes. So repeat 9 times at the top of your eyes and 9 times at the bottom of your eyes. And for more intense stress relief of your eyes, use the soft tissue of your thumb and massaging these acupoints as shown. Same thing, repeated 9 times. And then same thing for the bottom. After massaging, simply rub your hand and use the hollow areas around your hands to warm up